everybody. It's your girl Smokey.
It's your girl Katariana.
It's your girl Zaya.
And welcome to the Hustle. Alright, welcome to the Hustle, everybody. So today we are going to be making stuffed shredded chicken tacos. So we're going to be using the Old El Paso nacho cheese flavored taco shells. Okay, we got some of those. Got our lettuce. Got our tomato. Also, we're gonna cook it with the taco seasoning. Make sure if you're making this to get the hot and spicy. So I guess it's gonna be hot and spicy chicken, shredded chicken. Also, you wanna get you a rotisserie chicken, any type of chicken that's already cooked. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take this chicken, break it down, cook it, saute it with some of this sauce, and the rest is history. So y'all guys just stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of vegetable oil in here. I am gonna be listing the recipe here in this video. I'm gonna show it in this video. I'm gonna try to put the clip in here. Hopefully I'll put the clip in here. Don't kill me if I don't. But yeah, we're just gonna put a little bit of, you can use I'm using vegetable oil, but you know, for all you serious healthy eaters out there, you guys can eat, you can use olive oil. So that's what the directions say, but this is what we're gonna do. Holy crap, this is hot. Give me a knife or something, babe. It really doesn't matter about the skin. See, just gonna add this chicken in here. Yeah, here. Alright, guys, I'll be right back with you guys when I'm when the pan is full. Come on back. Same. Full of water.
Start it.
I like the Jewish chicken. Huh? Oh, they ain't started yet.
Yeah, I already did.
Hey guys, we put the water in, then we put the salt in. Salt hard to it.
Alright, you guys, so now we're just about to saute it with kind of like how you would normally make tacos. We're just, instead of ground beef, obviously we're using chicken.
That's good.
Put that in there. And I'm gonna try to cut this chicken up too as I'm done, so everything can get seasoned. Also, you guys, I didn't mention at the beginning of the video, but one of the other ingredients is the refried beans. So what the refried beans is for is like whenever you're done, you would just kind of, you know, rub it in the middle of the taco shell And then you put the meat on there. Yeah, baby. Thank you. Damn, how much?
Wow.
That's good.
Yeah, mama been trying to cook. Chicken tacos. Hopefully this be good, y'all.
This our first time doing this to you guys, so ooh, y'all let us know in the comment section if we messed up, Lord, or what we could do, you know, different. But this is a recipe I just came across. I think it was on Facebook or something. I don't know. All right.
Mama, are you saying what you doing? Okay.
Well, I'm trying to like break the chicken up too. See how it kind of. Do y'all kind of see how it's starting to look like shredded chicken? But like more like shredded chicken than anything.
Oh, we back.
All right, you guys. So we are through with the meat, and right now we're just kind of getting ready for the tacos. Some people call this meal prep, but we prepping during the cooking of the meal. We ain't gonna wait till before everything gonna be fresh. Cut that up, cut the tomato up. Like I said, you can use the refried beans, you guys, but we're not using them. But, you know, do the recipe how you want to. You know what I'm saying? You can do whatever. Use different ingredients. You don't even have to necessarily use what I use. Make sure you guys clean it, wash it off. I'm gonna have Smoke over here cut the tomato, you guys. I'm not really good with cutting the tomato.
That don't tell nobody that.
So
Shoot.
I don't want to cut my finger off.
She would have me cutting on the stove, like.
Yeah, so disclaimer, you guys, when you are cutting, you know, the vegetables, just be careful. You don't want to cut your finger off or anything.
Is you gonna eat any tomatoes? You don't even-
No, I don't want tomatoes. I'm just. Oh my God, do I got some hot sauce? Oh, I got a little bit. Y'all know this my jam right here. You get it at Walmart.
This nigga gotta learn how to cut, man. I ain't gonna be doing this forever. Doing it forever. Okay, Daddy.
What?
What you doing, man? You ready to eat some tacos?
Yeah.
Yeah. It is too. I'm hungry. I'm hungry, man.
And so you see we got the shells already set up over there. We about to
Oh,
put
you
those
can-
in the oven.
Yeah, we can go
Again,
and put them
about
in there.
325 on the heat. You can preheat if you want to. And just kind of put them in there for a minute till they start to get toasted. Do not forget about them, you guys, because you don't want them to burn. But they taste so good. You know, if you like them from Taco Bell, you would like this bread as well. Give y'all a close up on the, on the shells we using. Okay. Again, just gonna put those in there probably about 5-6 minutes maybe. You know, or put it in there to your liking.
I put them in there until they golden brown.
Yeah, he like a golden brown.
Man.
Just where you get the right crunch, but not that burnt crunch. You know what I'm talking about? Y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all feel me back there?
Ah. Got my veggies.
Done. Now again, this what we eating, but you can eat whatever you want. Put you some onions and all that good stuff on there. You know, do it how you want to.
Can't forget about that cheese, man. Y'all gotta have that cheese, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Alright, you guys, so everything now is done. I'm gonna just try to go ahead and make one taco for you guys. Alright, so get some chicken. Woo. Woo. Now I like to come behind it with the cheese. Melt the cheese. And I like my lettuce on top. This how I eat mine. Now y'all can judge me, it's okay. But I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one that eats their tacos like this. I like the cheese on there so it actually melts. And you know, I don't eat tomatoes or anything like that. So this is just how I'm gonna dress it up like this. Come behind it with that magic sauce, y'all already know. And voila, shredded chicken tacos. Bam. Y'all make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at Smokey Queen. That's Miss _ Smokey Queen, you guys.